subscribe button so you don't. Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here and I would love for you to join my family. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a dollar store shopping haul. We all know it's summer, which means that we're all going to be spending a lot of time outdoors. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some items that I got from the dollar store. These items are mostly for like kids. I grabbed some few items to add to what I had from last year. So let's get started so I can show you what I got from the dollar store. The first item is this set of children hangers. I actually got two, but I already started using the other one. We all know that children hangers are always either getting broken or they're getting lost, so why spend a lot of money on them? So obviously this one is a set of 6, which is great for $1. It's like, it's $1. It can't get better than that. I mean, obviously if it was like 50 cents, you will get better than that, but $1 for this is great. Next we have this 100% cotton rounds. I always get mine from the dollar store. I usually use these if I want to apply any product on my face, usually for a toner. And this is a pack of 80 counts, which will take me a few months to use because I don't use facial toners like I used to. But I love to have these around because you never know when you will use them. So $1. Next are socks. So during winter, obviously we wear thicker socks. And during summer or when you're going to the gym, you don't want to be wearing those thick socks when you're going like to the gym, or if you're walking around. It just make your feet sweat. And these are perfect because they're pretty light and they are ankle, I believe, pretty short. They don't go all the way high, so you can wear these and they won't even show as much in your shoes. So I love these. I always make sure I have the small one because you never know who might visit with kids and they get cold, or who might visit and they just want to wear socks. So I always have these around. Next items are these trash bags. Now it says kitchen bags, but I don't use this in the kitchen obviously because kitchen stuffs are very heavy. Like the trash from the kitchen is usually heavy because you're putting a lot of heavy stuff in there. But I use these in bathroom trash bins, because the bathroom trash bins usually you will use, like if you're wiping your countertop, you just drop the paper towel in there. If you're using Q-tips, you just drop it in there. If you're using like cotton balls, you just drop it in there. They're pretty light stuff, they're usually not heavy stuff, so these are perfect for it. Instead of using these regular shopping bags in your bathroom trash bins, throw that away. Grab yourself some of these, and they're scented. The best part is they are scented. So you have the pink, which is rose. The blue one gives you that mountain smell. My favorite is the vanilla. I always buy the vanilla, and then sometimes kind of like the yellow or the pink. We all know that bathroom trash bins don't get full rapidly, so these are really good to be used for that. You can literally smell them through the bag. So if your Dollar Tree has this, make sure you grab them. They're perfect. I have not bought this in years. So when I was in college, my first years in college actually, I used to buy these nail art type of paintings. So pretty much what you do is you paint your nails, and then you take these. They have a pretty thin and really slim brush that you can use to do designs on your nails. They're really nice. My favorite colors used to be the black, the gold, and the white, and then sometimes I'll get like the pink. So that's what I got. I got black, white, and gold. I'm excited to use them because I don't know, we'll see. They're pretty nice. I also got this plant label, so functional. 10 pieces. Like you can't beat that price. For $1, you can't beat it. When you look at some plants, they're pretty similar to each other, so it's always good to have something like this so that you can just grab it without having to think, is this basil, is this thyme, or is this rosemary? You don't even have to think too much. I also got this magnetic list pad, which I'm not sure. I hope it works. This is my first time getting one of these from the dollar store. I hope this works because I'm not really sure, but I love it. It says take your time, not time as time, but time as the spice. That's cute. 60 sheets. So I have one of these on the side of the fridge. That's how I usually list my spices and ingredients for meals that I want to prepare for the following month. So when I found this, I was like, let me grab it. If this works, I'm going to be buying mine from the dollar store moving forward, because the ones that I buy now are like $4 or $5 for one. So yeah, great. So we are done with the personal items. Let's get to the fun part, because these ones are going to be very colorful. I'm very excited about them. So let's start with this sand toys. This one has 5 pieces. Pretty much it is a castle, and then you have other items under that the children can just use. I like the fact that it has different colors. Even though it's one bag, it has a bunch of different colors in it. Then next, more sand type of toys. I got these two. So I have the purple one, which is my favorite color, and then you have the yellows. I just love the dollar store with toys like this for the summer, because if the kids lose it or they break them or whatever the case, you don't feel too bad, because you're like, okay, next year we'll buy another one, you know. So it's kind of like you're spending this much money for 1 year, because kids are always growing and they're not going to be using the same toys, especially toys like this. So obviously, if you say summer, you need some side work chalk. So this is 20 pieces: orange, blue, yellow, green, and pink. I got a bunch of Play-Doh, obviously, because Play-Doh, even myself, I love Play-Doh. So I got 6 Play-Doh with different colors. And this is actually not Play-Doh, this is slime. Because I know that the Play-Doh from the dollar store is pretty good, but the slime, I'm not really sure how it holds. But I got one of the slimes and 6 Play-Dohs. 6 Play-Dohs. Next item for the kids are these beautiful ice cream center bubbles. I didn't know the prettiest day. Like, you have pink, you have white, you have black. For a moment I thought these were candy. Oh my god, wow. I was like, oh, I would love to eat these ones. Like, so it has bubbles in there, but because they're so tiny, I'm not really sure how much of bubble liquid that is. I also bought the bubble liquid refiller, so once I use this and it's like running out, I'm gonna be adding with this. If you made it this far in the video, I am so grateful and I'm thankful for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not done yet so, and also hit that like button so I know that you were here and then you watched the video this far. Now I saved the best for last. I have about 2 or 3 items left and I'm going to show you those. The reason why I saved the best is because I love them. They're just so cute. I don't even know. First best items on this shopping haul are these balls. These actually light up. Kids love these. So last year Christmas, while I was shopping, I also went to the dollar store and I saw these and I was like, I need to get this. We had in total 6 or 8 kids for Christmas and oh my god, they loved it. I got a lot of these last Christmas and everyone, this is like a party favorite. Like literally, this is a party favorite for kids. They just love it. Now the only thing with this is that if you have kids that are very young and they don't understand the behavior or not throwing things at people, you should not be buying this, or throwing things at like walls or windows and all that. You should not be buying this because that's what they're going to be doing and you don't want that. But if you have kids that are grown enough to understand that you should just be dropping this on the floor to make it light up, go ahead and grab these. They're so cute. So these were $1 each. Look at that, it's so pretty. Imagine having like a little kids disco party and have these and they're like bouncing these all around the house. Oh my god, it would be so cute. I love them. These are like kind of like my favorite. Are these not the cutest little thing ever? 8 pieces. These are so cute. Oh my god, I just want to eat ice cream. It's just so, the color is just rich. It's just, it doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like a dollar type of bowl. I would just love to keep this around even when summer is not here, just for the kids. It's just so, oh my, love it. Last but not least, which is my second favorite thing from all this haul, We gotta do a drum beat. You gotta close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes because this is like, this is huge. Ta-da! Look at this. So I saw this and I was like, I kept going around and doing what I wanted to do, and I kept passing by and I was like, I don't need that. It's just cute. I don't need it. And I kept coming back and forth, going back and forth, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna grab it. I'm just gonna grab it. Of course, this makes me feel like eating ice cream, but that's just too much ice cream, which I won't mind doing. I can't eat this much ice cream. But I shouldn't be doing that, right? So I was like, you know what? I would take it for like water. Like, you know when you go to the beach and you just like, you're just sipping on your water. Like, I'm actually contemplating going back to the dollar store and getting a few more of these, just for the sake of it. Like, whew. And it's a big one. Like, oh, imagine making a shake here to take to the beach, or like getting a really cold drink when it's so hot outside and you have no idea what to do with yourself anymore because it's just so hot, and then someone gives you something like this filled with like really cold water, or like smoothie, or like an iced tea. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This literally, I feel like I should measure this. I need to measure this. So since I'm not sure of how big the camera is showing this, I'm actually gonna measure it. So let's measure it. I'm gonna measure it from here to here. Can you imagine? Almost 1 foot, 11 inches and a half, or 11 inches and 3/4. Like, it's almost 1 foot. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like all of the things that I show you today. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.